Today in this video, we will see the overview of control panel. So now let's start our video. Watch the full video till end. This is our control panel. So we have different options in the control panel, like system security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts, appearance and personalization, clock and reason, ease of access. So these different options have different performance and uses. So we will see the performance of all the options in the control panel. So we will start with the system and security. So we have different options in this. First we have security and maintenance. So this option is not of much use, so skip this option. And yes, we have the window defender firewall. This is of big use, so must turn on your window defender firewall state. This is used for preventing virus from external sources or from like internet and pen drive and other devices which we connect to our computer. So must turn on firewall. So next we have system. So in this option we have different uh, parameters. Parameter means like we have full configuration of our laptop or computer. So we will see like window edition. This window is window 10 pro, and the system processor, what is the RAM of our computer, what is the type, like 64-bit processor, and either it is touchable or not. In case we do not have touchable, and computer name and different like computer ID and all, product ID and all. So next we have power options. So in these options we can change the power setting of a laptop or computer. In case my setting is on balance, which is the recommended setting, which you also might opt, uh, and you can also change the settings to different, and you can change the sleep time of your laptop or computer and different options. And and next we have file history. It is of no use. And we have backup and restore Windows 7, which is in case if we have to backup and restore the Windows 7 data and all. And next we have BitLocker drive encryption. In this we can put a lock on our drive. Like we have different drives in our laptop or computer, like drive D, C, E, F, and different drives we have. So we can put on a lock on this on these drives. By turn on or your BitLocker, you can turn on the on this lock. So next we have storage spaces. By the use of this, you can manage your space or manage your memory, uh, which means like previously or primarily you have three drives or three volumes, window sorry drive C, drive D, and drive E. In case you want to extend these drives, like after drive C, D, E, you want to have drive mm, F, G, H, and like that, so you can extend your drive space or computer or laptop memory. Next is work folder. It is not of much use. And the next is administrative tool. So it is also of no use. And the next option is flash player. Flash player is what? This is what when you connect it to the internet, or you are operating another device with the help of your laptop or computer. So it uses its space to operate. So you can change these settings, like whenever you connect it to internet, and you do some research or anything else. So sometimes when we log into some website and all these, so there are some cookies and all that. So these cookies saves in a computer, so you can change the setting by uh, allow sites to save information on this computer. Ask me before allowing new sites to save information on the block hole. So I just opt allow sites to save information. So you can also ask me before. Yeah. So this is our overview of our first option. And next we have network and internet. So in this we have three options: network and sharing center, internet options, and infrared. First is network and sharing center. In this we can connect to internet. We can connect our laptop or computer to with Wi-Fi or USB tethering and all. So by this option, you can check your internet is connected or not, and if you have any problem, you can troubleshoot your problem. The next is internet options. So I have different kind option. You probably not need this. And next is infrared. So this is much of advanced option. This is used when you are connecting with some device which uses infrared communication for sending or receiving a file. So when you are connecting a device with your laptop or computer, you can use this. It is of use. So we have the next option, hardware and sound. It is of much use. Here we have different options: device and printer, autoplay, sound, power options, window mobility center, infrared. And like some of our options we have seen earlier. So first we have device and printer. In this we can connect a laptop to external devices like mouse and other laptops, printers. So this option is for that. And the next is autoplay. So here you can change your setting like different okay, like when you connect your laptop computer with a pen drive or any like card reader, you use this option to change your setting, like what is the default program which run on our computer, or else like when you put in your DVD or else like memory card or anything, what is the first option that will be played on your laptop or computer. So next we have sound. Sound. Here you can change the setting of your sound, and you can add devices for your sound recording or and all that. And next we have power options. This we already seen. And next we have window mobility center. Mm, yeah, yeah. Next we have infrared. This we have seen earlier. So next we have program. This is of much of the use. In this we have two features: program and features, and default programs. So program and features is the most important. So in this, yes, this is of much use. Listen, when you have installed any program, any software, like install Google Chrome, like you install Cam Studio, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft OneDrive, like and any like PyCharm, like any antivirus, like or Venaria file extractor. So and Microsoft Visual Studio. So its use is that if you want to change in your software or any file, so you can do it. Like we have Google Chrome. So just right click on it and the left click, and we have option uninstall. So by this we can install and uninstall a program, or sometime, yes, we can have different options with uninstall, like uninstall, change and repair. So it is of much of use. Next we have default programs. I think it is not of much use. So next we have user accounts. Yeah. So here we have three options: user accounts, credential manager, mail. So by the user account, you can change the name of your account that you have created, your account type, like local account, administrator, or any other else. You can basically you can manage your account. So if you want to change your name of the account to like sample, you can change. So you can change. Yeah. See the name of the account is changed. So here with this option you can change the account name, the account type. Like you can also change the account type to standard or administrator. Yeah. So we have the other option, credential manager. Yeah, I think this is not of much of use. And our next option is appearance and personalization. Yeah. So this is a option which is used to change the look of your laptop and computer. So first option is taskbar and navigation. So in the taskbar you can change different. You can change the background of your laptop or computer. You can change the colors. You can change the themes, fonts, many things. You can change the taskbar, that bar. You have different options to explore. You can change the look of your laptop or computer. Ease of access center, file explorer options, and fonts. In fonts, you can change the fonts of your uh, like all the text, like appearance and personalization, control panel home. Yeah. So these are the fonts. These are some random styles. So you can change the style of your fonts. So next we have the clock and reason. Yeah, time. So we have two options: date and time, and reason. So you can change the date and time of your laptop and computer. In case you can also change your setting to auto update your data and date and time. You can also change your reason, like you can change the date and time by, yeah, you have just this. So for changing time, for changing the date and time, change to the change date and time options, and we have a small pop-up. Yeah, by this help you can change your date and time. Like we have a small calendar and a small clock. By this help you can change your date, this calendar. Yeah, and your November, December. Yeah, you can change anything according to you, and you can change the time of your computer by just uh, remove and just put some ratings. Yeah, and just click to the OK to save. So we cannot do this. We have our time up to date. So and we have reason. Yeah, you can change the style of your date and time, like in which style you want to see your time and date, like day, month, year, or month, day, year, like this. You can also change the reason in which you are living in, like English, French, any language you can. So we have the next option, ease of access. So in this we have two options: ease of access center and speech recognition.
Always scan this section.
So in this we have different options. So do not change this or modify this section. Leave it default. And here we have the advanced option, speech recognition. With the help of this speech recognition option, you can control your laptop or computer by your own voice. By setting up this option, you can start speech recognition or set up a microphone. Here, with this option, set up a microphone, you can set up your microphone with the help of which you control your laptop or computer. And for this, you have to start your speech recognition. Yes. So we have all 8 options. So that's all for today. This is the overview of our control panel. Thank you.